My name is Trey and I'm in the welding program here at North Mocco. I took a tour when I was in 8th grade and I really enjoyed it.
My name is Heather and I'm in the welding program at Tech. In 8th grade, they told us about tech and all the opportunities with it, and then I went on the tour and visited welding and saw how great it was. Being a female in welding isn't an issue at all. We will all work together and give each other ideas and support each other.
I like being creative and fabricating things. The whole all-around welding experience is fun. We got a big safety program. We have to wear our safety glasses, all our welding equipment like our jackets and gloves and helmets.
Every year we use different machines. We use the stick machine and then the MIG machine and finally the TIG machine. We also use the oxy-acetylene torch and the plasma arc cutter to also cut metal. I had to draw out all the blueprints. I measured out the materials, cut them, grinded them down, and then placed them together, welded them, painted it with primer and then white paint to make it look nice.
The simulators are a cost-effective way to help new students learn how to weld without actually having all the hazards of welding. And you have a stinger, you just follow the TV screens inside your welding helmet. I would definitely recommend this program to anybody who wants to join. It's a great program, a great field to get into.
I would recommend this program because it's a great opportunity. There's so much to work with and so much to learn.